Yan guys, welcome back. So yan, papasok na tayo sa restaurant sa steakhouse guys. Yan guys. So yan, 14 out of star. Okay, let's go. 300 goal natin guys. Sarang tayo steak. Prepare the plate. Okay, yan. Hop. Turn it na. Yan na, andyan na si Guapito. Mukhang chiquito. Okay. With sauce. Oh, sir. Happy to serve, sir. Oh, yun. Sakto si ma'am, oh. Sakto si ma'am. Ganyan naman si sir. Hop. Oh, sir, ma'am. Happy to serve. Enjoy your meal. Oh, thumbs up. Thumbs up lang. Thumbs up lang siya. Yeah, thank you. Si nanay. Yan na. Wait lang po, ma'am. Can I get your senior discount, ma'am? Uy, nabuta tayo ng oras guys. Nagalit si kuya. Walk out siya. Walk out yan. Oh, congratulations. I have 681. So, yun. Guys, papunta na tayo dito. Album. Welcome. This is your first time in the album, ha? Okay. Copy. Yun. What's inside the book? William the cute neighbor next door. Okay. So yun guys, Shy Boy, First Love, William the cute neighbor next door. Touch. Hello Norma, it's me. You're not going to say you don't know me, right? Hey. Anyway, that's not important. I heard you with a regular employee of the greenhouse. Is that true? Congratulations, I visit them too to try your dishes, so wait for me. So I find out something new album, Williams. By the way, get the special from the store, get various experiences on the street, and get more stories. Okay guys, dito muna tayo guys. Thank you guys.